After you get done annotating the entire text, and so you've gone through, you've made your highlights, you have made your comments on the side, you've answered the questions here, then you will go ahead and you will save this to your Google Drive. And the way that you want to save this to your Google Drive, you're going to go to the the download/export button in the upper right hand corner. So it's that little arrow that points down. You're going to go ahead and click that, and it's going to give you a list. And so you can go ahead and save it to your drive. You can save it to Classroom. We are going to save it to our Google Drive. So you're going to go ahead and click your Google Drive right there. And you are going to update existing with revision, which means that if there is another copy of this in your drive, you're going to go ahead and replace it. So I'm going to I'll create a new copy so I can show you. Make sure you have the name of it here. So once you see the name of it, so the elevator, we're going to go ahead and export to Drive. It'll say saving to Google Drive. Once it is there, you're going to go ahead and click Show in Drive. That way you know it's there. And you can see your annotations that you've made as well. Now, another thing that you're going to want to do is you are going to want to check your drive to make sure that it has been placed inside there. And so you will look for your drive and you will double check to make sure it is there, because you are going to need it in your drive to upload it to Google Classroom. Hopefully that is helpful. Hopefully that does give you an idea of what you need to do. And yeah, thank you.